Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Chatgpt 5. So recently, Chatgpt has released its newest version, which is the Chatgpt 5, and it is available on all plans. Whether you have the paid one or free one, you can still access it. So for that, you have to simply go to the browser, search for Chatgpt, and open its website. Once you get there, now your ChatGPT is the ChatGPT 5. You don't have to go and select any other option. Like if you see the plans in the free, it's ChatGPT 5. In the $20, it's still the ChatGPT. Even in the highest, it's still that ChatGPT 5. You don't have to select different version or any other mode. You will have that ChatGPT 5 on your homepage. Now this one is the newest and the most advanced version of ChatGPT. If you give it any complex code or any sort of question, it will answer it. First, it will give you two options if you want a lengthy answer, like at the first, you can say it is thinking of it. And in second, it says that if you want a quick answer, you can click onto it and you will get less detailed answer, or you can say less better answer. So it's up to you. If you click onto the first option, then you will get the best answer. By that, it will use the ChatGPT 5's most advanced mode. Otherwise, you can get the quickest one, but it will not be as better as the first option. Once the answer gets created, then you will notice that it will be more in depth, in detail than previously we have on the ChatGPT 4. So this is the best thing about it. So whatever you ask it, it will give you the best answer like it has never created before. Other than that, it has added different sort of modes like study modes, research mode, canvas. If you want to use the ChatGPT for educational purposes, for research, so you can do it. You can see we have different sort of versions, so you can choose the one that you want it. If you want to create something, then we also have the option for canvas. The canvas mode, it'll be there. Then you can ask it to generate any sort of video or image and it will create it within seconds. If it takes minutes, then don't worry, it will be hardly a minute and you will get the results, and the results will be much better than the previous versions of ChatGPT. So once your video or image will be created, then if you want to ask regarding it, you can actually do it at the moment and it will answer to you. Other major thing that it has added different chat gpts. For that, you can click onto these options from the left and you can see this option chat gpts. If you click onto it, you will get a lot of different options for chat gpt, like for research, for video making, for any sort of education, social media. It has different categories. Like these are the basic chat gpts that you can get, and you can ask them to do anything and it will do it. Every mode is specialized in one category, so you have to find based on your need, ask it, and you will get the best answer. So these are the few changes that it has done in the ChatGPT 5, and actually it is keep innovating it. Every few weeks you will get the new version or some updates in ChatGPT. So that's all about the chat GPT. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.